Now, compromising on product quality and bleeding on return and refund charges. Now, if you're selling in Amazon, you know, if you sold one product at a profit of suppose 15 to 20% and you got one return or refund, and the charges that Amazon takes away, you have to sell two products at a profit to cover that charges. So if you're not calculating the return and refunds, you are making a huge loss. So what we see is if a product is getting more than 3 to 4% return rate, that means that is a thing to worry for us. We have friends who are doing few crores a month in sales in Amazon, and we are talking, and he said his return is a little bit higher, like 6 to 7%, and he was worrying like crazy because he knows this is very high. And if you don't know this thing, you're obviously making a loss. So if you sell, how to check this out when you're selecting a product, make sure you go and check the rating. How is the rating? If it is lower than 3.8 or lower than 4 stars rating, do not look at the stars, look at the rating. When you go and click on the stars, it shows below how much rating it is, 4.2 or 3.8 out of 5. Check that out. If it is less than 4, then check it out. What is the reason why the seller's product is performing bad? If you can't solve the issue, don't launch that product, because ultimately you will get return for the same issue. And if you get a lot of returns, ultimately you will be a negative. You will be at a loss for sure. Now, this fourth point is the main reason, okay, for maximum sellers to make